filing your tax return. Everything you need to know. Here's a comprehensive step-by-step guide to filing your tax return. Filing your tax return, everything you need to know. 1. Gather your documents. W-2 forms. These report your wages and taxes withheld by your employer. 1099 forms. These include various types of income like freelance work, interest, dividends, and retirement distributions. Other income records. Any additional income sources, such as rental income or business profits. Deduction records. Receipts or documentations for deductible expenses like medical bills, charitable donations, or mortgage interest. Identification numbers, your Social Security number or SSN, and if applicable, your spouse SSN and any dependents SSNs. 2. Use the tax form. Form 1040, the standard form for individual income tax returns. 3. Decide whether to use tax software or a tax professional. Tax software. Programs like TurboTax, H&R Block, or TaxAct can guide you through the process and help you e-file. Tax professional. For complex tax situations, consider hiring a certified tax preparer or accountant. 4. Fill out your tax form. Personal information. Enter your name, address, and SSN. If married, include your spouse information. Income. Report all sources of income as indicated on your W-2s and 1099s. Adjustments to income. Include any adjustments like student loan interest or IRA contributions. Deductions. Choose between standard deductions and itemizing. Calculate and input your deductions accordingly. Credits. Apply any eligible tax credits, such as education credits or the Earned Income Tax Credit. 5. Calculate your tax liability. Taxable income. Subtract deductions from your total income to find your taxable income. Tax rates. Use the IRS tax tables or tax brackets to determine your tax owed based on your taxable income. Other taxes. Include any additional taxes like self-employment tax or alternative minimum tax if applicable. 6. Check for errors. Review entries. Ensure all numbers are correct and all required fields are completed. Verify personal information. Double-check names, addresses, and SSNs for accuracy. 7. Submit your tax return. E-filing. File electronically through IRS-approved e-file services for a quicker and more secure submission. Mailing. If filing a paper return, send it to the appropriate address listed in the form instructions. Use certified mail for tracking. 8. Pay any taxes owed. Payment methods. Pay via electronic funds withdrawal, credit or debit card, or check money order. If you can't pay in full, explore payment plans or installment agreements with the IRS. 9. Keep records. Documentation. Retain copies of your filed tax return and all supporting documents for at least 3 years. Confirmation. Save proof of e-filing confirmation or mailing receipt. 10. Monitor your tax return. And before we proceed, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Track status. Use the IRS Where's My Refund tool to check the status of your refund. Respond to IRS notices. Address any communication or additional requests from the IRS promptly to avoid issues. 11. Plan for next year. Adjust withholdings. If your financial situation changes, adjust your tax withholdings to avoid large balances or refunds next year. Organize records. Start keeping track of documents for the next tax year to make the process smoother. By following these steps, you can ensure a thorough and accurate filing of your tax return. If you encounter any difficulties or have specific questions, consulting with a tax professional is always a good idea. Thank you for joining us on this magical journey through the world of tax returns. We hope you feel empowered and ready to tackle your taxes with newfound confidence and clarity. Remember, the process may seem daunting, but with a little preparation and a sprinkle of patience, you can turn it into a smooth and rewarding experience. Believe in the magic of taking control of your finances. With each step you take, you are not just filing a return. You are creating a brighter financial future for yourself. Keep your chin up and your spirit high. As you embark on your tax filing adventure, remember this special quote by Albert Einstein. Embrace this opportunity to learn and grow, and let it be a stepping stone to even greater achievements. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more empowering content. Share your tax tips and success stories in the comments below. Let us lift each other up. Until next time, stay magical and keep shining brightly.